All right, everybody. This is the ultimate test with these gloves right here. And is it melting through? Is it getting your palm?
Nope, there's not really any heat.
Wow.
I use these for forging, and this one I stabbed through it, so there's a little heat, but even with that stab hole in it, I can't even feel it on my fingers or anything. Very heat resistant. The problem with all gloves that are heat resistant is once they get really hot and they do finally soak through, it takes forever for them to cool off.
Oh, interesting.
But as long as you're careful of that, super durable. These parts are the weakest, the black, but this is almost stab proof with my knife. I can't get it all the way through. I can barely poke it. Super durable. This is the brand, I don't know, WZQH.
Okay.
This is the brand on Amazon.
Nice.
Yeah.
It's soft and pliable.
Yes.
And the inside, do they sweat very much?
A little bit, but I mean, not more than any other glove that I've used.
Okay. And out of 5 stars, how many stars would you give this?
5.
Fantastic. Thank you.